Well, good morning. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out to the flying field today, so I thought I'd show my latest project. It's actually a Guillow's Nieuport 11 rubber powered. It's about 24-inch wingspan, which I'm making for radar control. So far I've got, well, you see the most of it is actually built. I've got the lower wing, tailplane, rudder all built, but I'm just working on the top wing now. The ailerons I'm working off of one of these one little servos, so everything's had to be really loose, not loose, rather really free moving. Made up a couple of bell cranks, and it's just a push pull, of course, and it works reasonably well. I've put a couple of bits of, I think it's about 1 mil by 4 mil carbon, so I've used one to join the two elevator halves, and another one, because it's only 1/8 balsa, another one to stop the tail from twisting, which has worked very well on my little Q-Craft Pixie model. This one, the tail is as good as the day or as flat as the day I made it. Where are we? There, look at that. I'm going to lighten the fuselage a little bit more. You can scallop in between the stringers, take a bit more weight out, and also makes it a little bit prettier. You don't see the verticals through the covering. This is the receiver pack I'm using. Rudder elevator servos on there. I've got a little, I think this will be powerful enough. It's not sure what make it is, but it's 2900 kV, so it should be enough to fly the model on 2 cells. And that's going to be either fitted, well, that will push in the front former, and the motor will sit, I haven't even offered this up yet, the motor will sit up here somewhere. Where are we? The motor will sit up here, and then the receiver will sit further inside. The motor and will be man enough, that's why I'm keeping it as light as possible. The rudder is all flying, which means it's the whole lot moves. Hinge it on the post here, hinge it. And yeah, it's a pretty little aeroplane. Really quite looking forward to getting it in the air. Some vacuum form parts there. I'll probably only use the front of the rotary engine. I'll put the machine gun on the top, put the pilot in, and there's a nice transfer set as well, which I'll probably colour photocopy and stick the paper on them. Covering wise, obviously I'm not going to use the tissue. What have we got here? I found some of this in my store. Looks like it could be quite suitable. It's very light. I've not used it before. The lower wing is, I've scalloped the trailing edge for a little bit of lightness, internal scallops that is, just to lighten things up a little bit. And this one's got dihedral on it. But the top wing is completely flat, hence I thought I'd put ailerons on it. The push rod there, by the way, the push-pull rod, is 0.5 mil steel. It works very well. The servo's not actually bolted down yet, because I need to extend these wires to get them down the cabanes into the receiver. So I've got to snip that and extend them out a little bit. So apart from that, if you'd like to keep updated on the progress of this model, hit the subscribe button. As I've got so far this week. It's quite a slowish build, but if you want to subscribe and press the little bell icon to get notifications of when I upload a video. It might not be this little one, it might be one of my other flying videos. Going to be good aeroplane stuff, and eventually you'll see this one flying, hopefully not too long. The indoor flying season starts in a couple of weeks. Any questions, please ask, but as I say, if you want to subscribe, that would be good. See you in the next video. There we go. I'm pleased with that.